Hey there, have you ever wondered how that magical box in your kitchen that heats your food so quickly actually works? I'm talking about your microwave oven. Today, let's dive into the science behind this everyday miracle. So, what's the secret? Microwaves, no, not the ovens, but the actual waves. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation like light or radio waves, but with a shorter wavelength. These waves are perfect for cooking because they can penetrate food and excite water molecules inside, causing them to vibrate rapidly. This vibration generates heat, which cooks the food. That's why foods with high water content, like vegetables, can be zapped so quickly in the microwave. Now let's get a bit technical, but stick with me. Inside the microwave, there's a gadget called a magnetron. Think of it as the heart of the microwave. This magnetron takes electricity from the power outlet and converts it into high-powered 12-centimeter radio waves. These microwaves then bounce around the microwave's metal interior until they penetrate the food placed inside. The interesting thing here is the uniform cooking. You might think the microwaves cook food evenly from all sides, right? Well, not exactly. Microwaves actually heat food more efficiently from the outside in, which is why sometimes you might find the outer parts of your food scalding hot while the inside is still warming up. Yeah, and here's something cool. Ever heard of a microwave with sensor cooking? Brands like Maytag registered trademark have developed microwaves that use sensors to detect the moisture released from the food as it heats. These sensors adjust the cooking time and power settings automatically, ensuring your food isn't just cooked, but perfectly cooked. But that's not all. Some microwaves come with a convection feature. This means they don't just use microwaves but also have a heating element and a fan to circulate hot air. This allows you to bake and roast in them just like in a regular oven. It's like having a mini oven on your countertop. The Maytag registered trademark microwave with convection cooking, for instance, uses 1,600 watts of power to evenly cook food inside and out, sealing in juices and flavor. So next time you pop a bag of popcorn or reheat your coffee, remember there's a lot of science packed into that little box. Microwaves aren't just convenient, they're a fascinating application of physics right in our kitchens. That's it for today. If you're a tech enthusiast who loves diving into how things work, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tech breakdowns. See you next time.